So in question number 1 of exercise 9.4 कुछ प्रीफर्ड एक्टिविटीज दिए हुए हैं और कुछ नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स दिए हुए हैं. ठीक है. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज वी हैव टू मेक ए बार ग्राफ ऑफ इट. तो since these are all multiples of 5, we will take scale of 5. Also it is given in your book to take scale of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. इससे ज़्यादा है ही नहीं. I am doing it with free hand. You will do it with scale. Huh? You have to do it with scale. Now first activity is playing. Second is reading books. Then watching TV. Then listening to music. Listening to music. Then painting. Alright, so for playing there are 45 students. So we'll make one bar graph here like this. For reading books, 30. So up to here. For watching TV, 20. For listening to music, 10. And for painting, 5. Or 15. 15. For painting there are 15 students. So this was y-axis showing number of students. This is x-axis showing preferred activities. Preferred activities. In this way you have to draw the bar graph. Now in the previous day I had given you one question as homework in exercise 9.3. So exercise 9.3 was exercise 9.3's question number 3 was an homework. So I'll solve that for you for those who could not do it. Okay. Now question number 2 of exercise 9.4 says that on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday these many books were sold. So we have to make bar graph of this. तो हमने क्या किया 65 भी है 40 भी है 30 भी है 50 भी है तो 10 के मल्टीपल्स भी हैं 5 के मल्टीपल्स भी हैं इसलिए 5 के मल्टीपल्स का स्केल ले लिया 5 to 65. नाउ संडे को जितने बुक्स हैं उतना का बार ग्राफ बना लेंगे. संडे को 65 है तो एक बार ग्राफ हो गया संडे को. नेक्स्ट इज 40 ये है यहाँ पे. मंडे का ये हो गया. मंडे ट्यूसडे का कितना है 30 तो 30 का पैरेलल 5 10 15 20 25 30 दिस इज 30 तो 30 का पैरेलल यहाँ पे. ट्यूसडे फिर वेडनेसडे को कितने हैं 50 हैं तो 50 इज वेयर हियर इसके पैरेलल पे दिस विल बी वेडनेसडे. Then Thursday is 20 is here. Thursday. Then Friday is how many? Friday is 70. On Friday 70 books were sold. 70 will be here. So parallel to this, it will be here somewhere. Okay. This will be Friday. इसमें प्रिकॉशंस क्या क्या रखने हैं? जो विड्थ है बार ग्राफ का वो 1 सेंटीमीटर का होना चाहिए. जो ये गैप है, ये गैप इक्वी डिस्टेंट होना चाहिए, है ना. 1 सेंटीमीटर का गैप होना चाहिए इसके बीच में. ठीक है, मैं तो बोर्ड में ड्रॉ कर रहा हूं, तो बोर्ड में इतना पॉसिबल नहीं है करना, तो आप लोग स्केल से करना. ग्राफ पेपर की जरूरत नहीं है फिलहाल अभी. यू कैन डू इट विद द स्केल. ऑलराइट, सो विल सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So I have given you homework of exercise 9.3, question number 3. For those who could not do, you can review. In question number 3 of exercise 9.3, it was said that a bar graph is drawn like this, such that there are marks given in the y-axis 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and subjects are given here. English, first one is Hindi. In your book, first one is Hindi. Then English. Then maths or mathematics, science, and social studies. Now the graph is drawn in such a way that in Hindi it is showing 80 marks. In Hindi it is showing 80 marks. In English it is showing 60 marks. In maths it is showing 70 marks. In science it is showing 50 marks. And in social studies it is showing 40 marks. Now there are a few questions given here. The first question is, what information does the bar graph give? So A, the bar graph is telling us about marks obtained by Aziz in 5 subjects. Question number B, name the subject in which Aziz scored maximum marks. So Aziz scored maximum marks in Hindi, it is clearly seen. So here answer will be Hindi. C, name the subject in which he scored the minimum marks. Minimum marks was obtained in social studies. And last question is, state the name of the subject and the marks obtained in each of them. Alright, so we have to make one mark statement. Alright, so mark statement D. We have to make one marks statement. So we write subject and marks. Subject is Hindi. Serial number also we can give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hindi, English, maths, science, and social studies. So the marks obtained in Hindi is 80, in English it is 60, in maths it is 70, in science it is 50, and in social studies it is 40. Okay, I have not drawn this up to scale because on board we don't use scale in general. Alright, so you can do it with the help of a scale. So this is the mark statement of whom? Aziz. You can also write down the name of the students, but it is not required. Mark statements of Aziz. Okay, so this was the homework which you had to do. For those who could not do, I have done it for you. And the new homework is based on the questions which I just solved in exercise 9.4. I had solved exercise 9.4's first two questions. Alright, what you do? You solve the third question. Alright. So next homework is exercise 9.4, question number 3 only. You can write down the answers since it is a pictorial form, so you can make the pictures of the bar graph, okay, and you can send it to my person.